everyone! Buying a home is a huge milestone, but the closing process can feel like a never-ending obstacle course. Stick around because I'm about to share some secrets to ensure a smooth home closing without any last-minute surprises. First up, double-check your finances. Make sure all your funds for the down payment and closing costs are in order well before the closing date. It's no fun scrambling at the last minute. Next, get all your documents ready. You'll need items like your ID, proof of insurance, and any loan-related paperwork. Have these organized and easily accessible. Trust me, it makes a world of difference. Now let's talk inspections. A final walkthrough is super important. Do this a day or two before closing to ensure the property is in the condition you agreed upon. You don't want any unpleasant surprises like missing appliances or unexpected damage. Keep in touch with your lender and real estate agent. They're your main points of contact and can help ensure everything is moving along smoothly. Don't hesitate to ask questions if you're unsure about something. And finally, review your closing disclosure. This document outlines all the terms of your loan and closing costs. Compare it to your initial loan estimate and make sure everything matches up. If something seems off, bring it up immediately. So there you have it. Stay organized, ask questions, and keep those lines of communication open. Following these tips will help you glide through the home closing process like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home buying tips. Happy home hunting!